Okay, so brand new Honda HRV. Now that was easy, right? We're doing a cabin filter. Pretty simple. I didn't take nothing apart. I didn't take anything out, actually. You squeeze this guy in, and push this guy back, because he sits on this little ledge right there, little pole right there. There you go. Sitting on the pole. And we're gonna pop this guy out. Let's see. Is this easy? Oh, come on, dude. Oh, come on. Oh, this is super easy. Super easy. There you go. Look, trap door. And then we're gonna pull this guy out. Look, it even tells you which way the air flows. And this guy is brand spanking new, so we don't need to ruin anything. But look, see that? Brand new. I'll put the link in the description, as usual. And then we're gonna take him, put him back, put my cover back. Hey, look, it's up. And then we're gonna pop him in right back in. Can't be harder than that. But to show you how it comes off, I'll show you how to put it back on. So you got that little guy right there. See that arch? It's gonna sit right there. Here you go. And then this is what you gotta push back. See how it pushes back? You see? That's where you gotta push back. And there you go. Snaps into place. So this guy, you gotta get him up, like that thing said. There you go. Just pop him back in. So that's it. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.